to save and access your scanned files anywhere? Here's how to enable Cloud Sync in the CamScanner app on iPhone. First, open the CamScanner app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, tap on the Me option at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the Sync. Here, you'll see an option called Cloud Sync or Cloud Synchronization. Simply tap the toggle next to it to turn it on. When it turns green, it means Cloud Sync is successfully enabled. Once activated, your scanned documents will automatically sync to the cloud whenever you're connected to Wi-Fi. This helps you access your files on other devices or restore them if you change your phone. If you don't see the same option, it may depend on your app version or account type, but the steps are generally similar. And that's it. That's how you can enable cloud synchronization in CamScanner on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and app tutorials.